Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. First of all, I would like to say thank you for every subscriber of my channel and everyone who spends time watching my YouTube videos. Thank you very much. I really appreciate your time, your feedback, and your comments. Right now, there is more than 5,000 subscribers on my channel, and to celebrate this, I decided to do a giveaway. Giveaway item is going to be a set of 4 coasters that I already had one of my YouTube video designs. Also, for those of you who don't know, I have my Instagram profile. In order to participate in the giveaway, there is no requirement to be subscribed for my Instagram channel. However, I would really appreciate your support. I will post my Instagram right here, and if you're gonna subscribe, you will always see a new content there before it hits YouTube channel. So in order to participate in a giveaway, you need to be first, subscribe to the channel, 2, leave a comment about your suggestion or feedback about my channel, 3, like this video. The giveaway officially starts right now and it will end on this Sunday. What is the Sunday? August 4th. The giveaway will stop on August 4th at 12 o'clock at midnight. On Monday, I will post another video with the lucky winner who will get the giveaway prize. It doesn't matter your age, it doesn't matter your location. Feel free to share this video with your friends or on your social media. Thank you very much for all your support. I really appreciate it. See you next time. Bye.